Ever wondered how a typewriter works in Chinese? One was built, and it's genius.
Until, in 1947, someone built this machine, the Mingkuai Chinese typewriter. Instead of a tray with 2,000 character slots, it used a 74-key keyboard. You can type Chinese, just like typing English. And despite being only slightly larger than an English typewriter, it didn't just type 2,000 characters, nor 20,000 characters. It could type 90,000 characters. In total, only one such machine was ever made, and that one machine has been lost for more than half a century. When I first heard of the Mingkuai typewriter, I thought it was an urban myth. How could a purely mechanical device possibly type 90,000 characters? But numerous photos prove it's real, and even a video showed it in operation. Its inventor was a Chinese author, Nobel Prize nominee Ling Yutang. According to his biography, as early as 1931, he dreamed of inventing a Chinese typewriter that, like his English counterpart, anyone could use without special training. He became obsessed. Every morning at 5 or 6, he rearranged characters, redesigned the keyboard, and repeated this again and again. After 16 years, he finally built the first fully functional prototype. Unfortunately, due to his high manufacturing cost, no company was willing to mass produce it. And 19 years later, that one prototype was lost during a move. Luckily, a set of patents filed in 1952 preserved the Mingkuai's mechanism. Those patents survive to this day.